Hello! Si Mahel pa din, nandito. Pagpan ko na nagbibideo ko na lang kasi ga-upload ko na lang yan. Ito talagang pinunta ko sa Tacloban. I got a shout out to all my followers out there. This is Mahel Montestring live from the Philippines, somewhere in Tacloban City. Shout out to all Al Papi Kappa members 1970.
Mayo.
I just ate. Look at this.
Oo.
Empty. That's how we do it in the Philippines. You got gloves and you use your hands to eat. This is what we call coconut wine in the Philippines. We call it tuba. Mahalina wine from the coconut. Yeah. Only the Philippines, man.
Oh my